Alright, so I'm recording. Where are you? QuickTime. There's QuickTime right there and it jumps. Right? So nothing has changed as it relates to QuickTime. Alright, minimize that. And these are the screenshots I took earlier today after the wipe and install of the operating system. So in Luke's MacBook Pro on all messages, I saw Cloud D and it says starting operation. Alright. And Cloud D is airdrop and sharing. So I am going to, and it says performing here. See that? Cloud performing. I am going to close that one. Wireless prox D. That's Bluetooth. Okay. And telling client AirPlay. So AirPlay and Bluetooth is how it connects. System preference. Remote view. Okay. Remote view. Minimize that one. System preference, warning, service of remote view. Warning, service of remote view, not entitled to set level of host window. Minimize that one. Apple.com preference, sheet ended with success. And what's that? Sheet is preference, date, time, remote service. Apple preference, authorization result as 0. That is remote service. Preference did become key remote service. Okay, local authentication UI did become key. System preference, warning remote view. Okay, warning remote view. Apple preference, sheet ended with success. Preference, date, time, remote service, security interface, success. Sharing D, Apple sharing. System preference, warning, remote view. Remote view. Following that, it said could not enable test hierarchy and whatever else. No UAT pinning preferences set. Apple preference, preference datetime remote service, location authentication, local authentication. It says error here, error domain equal com Apple local authentication. Apple preference, displaying sheet, date, time, remote service, security interface, current system appearance. System preference, but I didn't get the breakdown. Post registration system appearance, date, time, remote service, applicant. Preference may have changed. Starting browsing, Wi-Fi, Apple sharing, sharing, sharing. And that's it. As usual, I go application and I go stickies, put it down there. So you see it's a whole new wipe, and I go to the end, and then if there's no end, it means this video has been cut.